Thanks for tuning in to Champy 7 TV. Yes, remember, like, share, and subscribe. All right. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone who celebrates. Okay. See it there. Shaman. See it there. That is it. Bless up on ourselves. Do your thing, my friend. Put one more in the life. See how we all my teacher to do. Come on, see we not blow the pot there, wife. Tell us that we not gonna blow, we not try all out the fire. No, sir, golden chicken, wifey. Go on. Wifey, golden chicken. Steam all the come off it.
Doing. So mix it up now? Don't you want something? You want something to do steam the top right?
No, I'm fine.
Well, come out right there.
Yeah, go on, so. Now make sure you do it right. Oh, yeah, man. That is it. That is it, wifey. Yeah, go on, good.
And I'm ask more the brush today again.
Wifey, where's the brush?
Nice tour.
Champy put it up there. Tall. And it's waist deep part.
What you smiling about over there? What's here?
Mother and so that's the fear part. See the side here, where mother and give me people.
And what you doing?
I'm doing my part. I'm gonna test it to make sure you did okay. That is edible.
That's all. You're gonna do then. That no
Yes, yes. Yeah, peep it. Ooh. She gonna catch me, people. People may get catch. Boy. Get fish. Shh. Wanna not say nothing. Dance it. Yeah, dance. Dance it, papi. That is it.
Hello, Tracy.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice. Good. You like it? Yum yum. Food. Nico Ranks.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up Champy 7 TV. Dante Rankin. Hey. Where run behind Papi here, go? Eva Ranks, Carmela Ranks, everybody around. Mello in the house. Diva in the house. She's not a singer, but she's diva. That's right. And see my little girl, that's my little girl. Look at her face. Look at her face. Yeah, man.
Hey, Jack, come.
Touchdown. Get in that end zone. Oh, you fumbled the ball. Ready for your dinner? No, you don't want anything to eat? No? Okay. That's odd. Food in the place. Oh, hey, listen. Don't let me come and get you.
Thank you.
Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Happy Thanksgiving. Pretty girl. You won't give up that chicken leg?
Yeah.
She will not give up her chicken leg. She bite your finger, you stay there.
Take the time.
Cookie, what you have to say? People them say if the food not ready yet.
Food ready. That's the food ready. It's ready to get
Denise say where the video there.
Alright, tell Denise to come. It's ready.
Check out that plate, check out that plate. You don't eat goat? Okay. Yeah. What kind of goat is that? That's it?
What you mean? I'm gonna come back.
Yeah, oh, that's what I just gonna say. You better go back. Yeah. There. See, there.
Where's Samuel?
In his room. That's yours? Huh? That's yours? No, eat your own.
Hey, you got broccoli
You can have your own right there. Man, that is it. Nice.
What's wrong? I wanna get in the way.
Too hot. I guess heat on it. Mother ranks. Genie over here.
Yes, my son.
Me and you have to do a video, you know.
Oh, yes. Happy Thanksgiving.
Not the Thanksgiving video, but me have to sit down and do a
History.
video. History video. That is it, Mother Rams. Alright. Yeah, man. That's the cook right there. Yeah. Me teach her everything she know. Yeah. That is it. Me I tell them say me teach you.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
Time to eat.
Put your foot in it.
We use it.
Yeah. Your foot you put in it.
Excellent, Dodie.
You not eat it yet. She still a work her chicken leg over there, so.
Alright, it's time for you to work here.
Nice? Yeah, nice. Nice. Can I have a piece? Can I have piece? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Not payment, not even bad mind you're giving me. Can I have some? Huh?
No.
Can I have some? Finish? How was your dinner? How was your dinner? Good?
Thank you.
It was good? Dinner was good? Yeah? Nice.
Huh?
Hey. Are you making a number 2 down there? Yes, you I'm talking. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing there? The restroom is around the corner. See, they're eating my dinner. Yeah. See, I don't eat plenty. Just a little bit. See that? Mother, yeah, you can't say that. I don't eat plenty people. Look, just a little.
I almost done with it. That's what you said.
Look at her try to put back on her. Good girl. Good girl.
No, because when they reach little 9 or 10,
All right, try it again. Try it again.
they don't see grandma again. They enjoy them now.
Blow. Nice, nice. There you go.
See that? Good girl. Good girl. Blow again. Good girl.
Been watching, learning.
Blow again. Good girl. Keep on.
She know the right way to blow it. She flip it around. You go, girl. You're a smart girl. Bye, Alexandra. Bye. You going home? And you stealing a photo? She's stealing a photo, D.
Take my auntie home with her.
Which auntie?
Adrian said this is not
Yeah.
daddy. That is not his daddy.
Hey.
His daddy got his hair like this. Is that you?
I caught you.
Alright.
Hey. What you got there? Huh? Excuse? Excuse? Huh? Excuse? Huh? Oh, you wanna sit down too? Oh, look at this. You wanna sit down? Okay, we. Excuse.
Go get your Paw Patrol shoes. Go get your Paw Patrol shoes on. Let's go. Go that way. Or where is it? Oh, this right here.
That's your,
That's
that's
your Paw
your.
Patrol shoes? That's my shoes, man.
It's super bigger.
That's mine. Look at you. Where's my girl? That's a cover. Thank you, Kevin. Yes. Okay. What's up? Come to say bye? Hmm? Yeah? Uh-huh. What? Say hi. Hi. Nice. She said hi. Huh?
Look at me.
Look at you. Look at you, strong boy. She wants more. There you go. Say hi.
5 work, my
Oh, you're killing your puppy boy. You're driving me nuts. You're hurting me, man. That's not funny. Oh, Daphne, get your grandson. You're driving me nuts. I got you, man. I got you, bro. Look at her. She's looking if I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Adrian, alright, Adrian, you ready?
Oh man.
Bye, Adrian.
You wanna play too? You wanna play too? Tickle, tickle,
They're
tickle,
ready to
tickle.
go home. Where's
All
the
right, all right. It's over. It's over, man.
The shoes over there.
What you eat? What did they give you to eat, man? What you got to eat? Man. I got you. I got him, people. I got it. There you go. All right. All right. You drinking water? Huh? Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yes. Look
Bye-bye.
at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you.
All right, Adrian, you ready?
All right.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Cookie.
Good
No,
night.
you're the cookie. You can't leave. You gotta stay.
Bye. I'm going home with Adrian tonight.
All right, everybody's leaving.
Live
Thank-
9 to 10.
Thank,
No,
I'm
you go
tell you,
back
a
up in
problem
the room.
that don't start. It now got done.
Here, go say good night to your baby.
Bye-bye.
Say good night.
Say bye.
See you.
Bye bye.
All right.
Bye. Ta-ta.
Bye bye. Where you go?
Okay, look at that boy in the dark. Jeez, who's down there? Oh, that's where they park.
Nobody.
Where is he at?
He's running away.
In the dark?
Yeah.
Adrian.
Adrian? Oh,
Say bye. Good night.
Good night. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you before you go back home.
Okay.
love you.
All right. He said okay. Okay. He's coming back.
See you tomorrow. Man. All right, that is it. Wonderful day. There it is. Good night, Lord. Thank you for a wonderful day with the family. Blessings.